Well, the big story we're tracking, Congress workers are celebrating outside Rahul Gandhi's Tughlaq Road residence. The Congress Vice President returned a short while back. Of course, we're being told that Congress President Sonia Gandhi and Priyanka were at his residence to greet him.
As you can see that there are Congress workers who've come here. They are trying to burst crackers here, and as you can see, they're doing just exactly that. Jagdish Sharma, who's a Congress worker, who says that he's a sympathizer with the Congress, is now bursting crackers and shouting slogans for Rahul Gandhi. All this happened just minutes after Rahul Gandhi returned to his official residence in Tughlaq Lane. As we've seen that there are crackers which are being burst here outside the residence of Rahul Gandhi. With camera person Pratap in Delhi, Ashar Khan for Headlines Today.
Headlines Today has managed to get hold of or exclusively access Rahul Gandhi's air tickets, ending all speculation. It's now clear that Rahul flew out of India early morning on the 16th of February. The flight was at Thai Airways TG332 to Bangkok. Rahul returned 2 months later using the same route from Bangkok via flight TG323. Now, the ticket tells us that Rahul left India for Bangkok and arrived back via Bangkok, but that doesn't really indicate what his final destination was. Let's get a word from our Deputy Editor Ashar Ahmad Khan, who's with us live from the national capital. Ashar, we managed to get those tickets that were issued to Rahul Gandhi. So we know now that he travelled to Bangkok from where he went somewhere else. He's also taking the same route to return to Delhi.
Well, absolutely. That is what is being evident by the tickets. But yes, in the period of 55 days, what we are getting to know is that he was not, his stay was not limited to Bangkok. He was at other places also. But the bigger point is that finally, ending all speculation which were rife for the last couple of weeks or so, Rahul Gandhi has finally arrived. And the Congress party now hopes that he will make a constructive sort of a speech at Ramlila Maidan, where the big Kisan Khet Mazdoor rally is being organized by the Congress party on the coming Sunday. The Congress president will also be there, and it would be perhaps the first big public appearance of Rahul Gandhi which will take place on Sunday. As we speak, Rahul Gandhi is inside with his mother and sister, so clearly family time once again for Rahul Gandhi after coming back from a long sabbatical of say about 55 days.
Well, so a long sabbatical of more than 50 days. He's finally back. Celebrations are taking place outside his residence. The pictures on your screens are of the air tickets that were issued to Rahul Gandhi, which he used to travel to Bangkok. He also got back to Delhi using the same route. Ashar, as the Congress Vice President meets senior Congress leaders today, he's also expected to meet representatives of farmers. The big question on everyone's mind right now is that where was Rahul for 58 days? What was he doing and what has he come back with? What's the kind of revelation that dawned on him during this sabbatical, that and whether or not he's made up his mind about leading the Congress party as president?
Well, that's still suspense and mystery which is surrounding the entire Congress party as to where exactly and what exactly was the Congress Vice President doing. But yes, now he is back. As far as today's plan is concerned, it is highly unlikely that he would be meeting senior leaders of the party. What we expect is that he will get back to active functions from tomorrow onwards, and also on Sunday he would be there at that rally. But clearly there are serious issues which are pending which the Congress Vice President will have to deal with. We've seen senior leaders of the Congress party coming out and categorically stating that there is something lacking as far as the leadership of Rahul Gandhi is concerned. They are putting their weight behind Sonia Gandhi, the Congress president. But yes, in the last couple of weeks when Rahul Gandhi was away, there were also rumours doing the rounds that all is not well between the Congress president and the vice president. But now the Congress president and Priyanka Gandhi at the residence of Rahul Gandhi, receiving him when he came here. So clearly all those rumours are being dispelled by this show of strength for the entire Gandhi family.
Let's see the family coming together to welcome Rahul Gandhi on his arrival after 58 days from a long sabbatical. Ashar, of course, his sabbatical has been criticized, as you pointed out, not just by leaders of the Congress party, but also the BJP, which is, and his sabbatical has actually given the opposition an opportunity of calling him a reluctant politician, even a part-time one.
Well, absolutely. In fact, earlier also he was known as a reluctant politician, somebody who did not want to take on. In fact, in 2013 January, when he was coronated as the vice president of the Congress party, then also the speech which he gave, the famous words which he used, that power is poison, it all gives more ammunition to the opposition, saying that he's somebody who's not confident of himself, he's somebody who's reluctant. But now we've seen he's come back. Let's wait and watch as to what exactly happens. The Congress leaders are also waiting and watching. They also want to see what kind of speech, what are the plans he has that he gives in the Ramlila Maidan upcoming rally. After that, it would be clearer as to what exactly his plan is, and then only a strategy will be formulated.
All right, Ashar, stay on with us now. Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi is finally back in the national capital, but questions are now being raised about his ability to lead the grand old party. Now, there have been several voices from within the Congress, like Captain Amrinder Singh, Digvijay Singh and Sheila Dikshit, who put their weight behind Sonia Gandhi and have asked her to continue leading the Congress party, saying that she's the only one who can revive the party at this time. Take a look at those reactions that and those statements that emerged from Congress leaders while Rahul Gandhi was on a sabbatical.
You can't single out people by saying this should be there or that should be there. You have to take everyone in your stride, and I hope he will understand that if he is to take over, which I still feel that Mrs. Gandhi should continue for some time till he really fits into the fits the bill. I shouldn't say fits the bill, but certainly fits into the system.
मैं तो इस बात को शुरू से कहता आया हूं कि प्रकृति का नियम है परिवर्तन।
परिवर्तन में राहुल गांधी की अध्यक्षता की बात आती है।
देखिए, मैं तो अपनी बात कह चुका हूं, उसको दोहराना नहीं चाहता।
इस वक्त सोनिया गांधी जी का होना और कांग्रेस को गाइड करना बहुत आवश्यक है। इस वक्त कांग्रेस का मानना ये है और विश्वास है उन पर कि वो इस वक्त हमारे लिए बहुत बेहतर लीडर हैं।
Right, three top leaders of the Congress party, some of them who considered very close to the Gandhi family, questioning Rahul Gandhi's ability to lead the Congress party. Of course, saying that his sabbatical is extremely ill-timed, coming as it did ahead of the crucial budget session, where the opposition was looking at getting together to launch an attack on the NDA government over the land acquisition bill. Our Deputy Editor Ashar Ahmed Khan is with us live. Ashar, these statements criticizing Rahul's sabbatical and questioning his leadership skills, they come from people who've been considered close to the Gandhi family. Sheila Dikshit, of course, is someone who's seen as a leader who's close to Sonia Gandhi. Digvijay Singh, for a long time, was seen as Rahul's mentor.
Well, absolutely. That's what something the Congress Vice President will have to deal with. We saw that Sandeep Dikshit, Sheila Dikshit, Captain Amrinder Singh, or senior leaders, all leaders who've been in the party for a long time, and now they're constantly saying that he needs more experience. They're showing more confidence in Sonia Gandhi. So all these things the Congress Vice President will have to take into consideration. Now he's back.
All right, Asha, thanks so much for taking us through all the developments. Of course, Rahul Gandhi's sabbatical and his sudden reappearance followed by celebrations have given a chance to the opposition to mock Rahul and question his ability as a real politician. Here's some of the reactions that we managed to get from the BJP. Take a look.